Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with Modesty. Today, I have one of my favorite boxes, the BeautyFix by Dermstore. This is actually one of my favorite skincare boxes, and actually, I think this is my favorite skincare box. So if you're interested in seeing what they sent me this month, October, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys been doing well. And today, I believe, will be Wednesday. And if not, you'll have to forgive me because I try to pre-record these as much as I can. But when these boxes just show up at the last minute, I just try to get it up as soon as possible. So today, I want to go over with you my favorite skincare box. And it's actually by Dermstore. And it's called the BeautyFix. And they have really good products. And they are known brand product, good. So yeah, before I do that, we have to do some affirmations. And I did dig out our 60 empowering questions and affirmation card box. And so let's see what happens. Okay, today we have, I don't know what a picture. Oh, okay, it's actually a like a ballerina or a young woman inside of a rose. It looks like that's what the picture says. Oh, it looks like. It says, I am grateful for this body, which has served me well so far. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh at that. The reason why I'm not, I'll tell you in a minute, okay? I'll tell you in a minute. Wait for it. I am grateful for this body, which has served me well so far. Okay, the reason why I'm laughing, guys, is because today, my body served me very well. And it's a wonder that I'm still standing up on both of my legs. I fell down the stairs today. It was the second time I fell down the stairs. Last time it was from the second floor to the first floor. Today it was from third floor to the second floor. And actually, I need to stop wearing socks because I have wooden floors and I lost my footing and I fell down the stairs. And of course, because it's really chilly now and fall and winter's coming, so I have my little plushie on, which makes it really slick. So when I try to stop myself from going down the stairs, I wasn't stopping. Every step I hit my back and my hip, back hip, back hip, back hip. The good thing is I was holding myself to a point where relaxed enough where I'm not gonna brace myself from from falling, because then I'm gonna break something. So I kind of relax as much as I can. Why? I tucked my chin down. I'm a trauma nurse, right? And people fall down the stairs. What do? They hit the back of the head and they got a major issue. So I wanted to make sure I didn't do that. So anyway, as I am falling down the stairs, I'm thinking to myself, okay, at the end of this, and it seemed like it took forever for me to make it from the third floor to the second floor landing. And the whole time I heard my husband, yelling, and he was like really scared. He's like, what's going on? What's going on? Of course, in Arabic. and he's like trying to run towards me. And I think he went from the third floor to the second floor just one swoop. And he's like, are you okay? Are you okay? And then I'm like, yeah, my body served me well because I'm fine. Other than I probably have a pretty bad bruise on my elbow, which I iced right away. So it's not, the heat went away from it. A little bit of a pain on my back, but on the side, and of course my butt. Because I was heading to step each way down. But the thing is, if I didn't have all this plushie down, I would have stopped. I would have been able to stop myself, which would have been good. So I said to myself, you know what, maybe I shouldn't wear things that are so plushy and fluffy because this is, because it makes it slick. And like I said, I was all the way down. And, at 57, you would think that I would have hurt myself. But I am so grateful for this body, which has served me well so far. And I'm pretty tough. I think from the years of jumping out of airplanes and, falling on landings and, really martial arts, falling all over the place, I think my body has prepared me for this day. And so I have to say I'm very grateful for this body, which has served me well so far. So yeah, And that's my story for the day. And it's kind of funny that this came up. Sorry about that. I shouldn't be laughing, but it was funny for me. So anyway, let's see. You know what? I have my glasses here somewhere. And hold on one second. Okay, the reason why I wanted the magnifying glass is because there's a question on the back, right? And I want to make sure you answer this for yourself for your affirmation. It says, what has my body accomplished recently that I am proud of? And how can I show my body I care for it? Okay, what has my body accomplished recently that I am proud of? The fact that I made it down a whole flight of stairs and I'm still standing and talking to you tonight. And how can I show my body I care for it? Well, I think I need to continue to do my yoga and be limber and eat well and do all that stuff to say thank you. So yeah, anyway, that was a good card. It was kind of, I wasn't going to tell you guys that story, but then the card came up and I'm like, okay, I'll go ahead and share because some of you are probably mortified going, oh my gosh, you fell down the flight of stairs. I'm like a bull in a china shop, I told you guys. It is what it is. My life, yeah. So I just feel sorry for my husband because I do the things like this are normal for me. So it stops his heart every time it happens. So anyway, here's the Beauty Fix. And let's see what we have today. I hope it's some good stuff. Okay. Okay, it just comes tape right here. I just separated the tape. And it comes like this with the teeny tiny black spaghetti that drives me nuts, but that's okay. But it's packaged so nicely, right? Unlike our BoxyCharm, which is just like a piece of paper slammed in there. And also I received BoxyCharm tonight as well, so I will have to record that for tomorrow. But anyway, this is a skincare box, and it doesn't look like there's a card, but I'll tell you what I received here. I think, oh, I already like what I got. And so I think I may get something in the email, but I haven't gotten it yet to talk about it, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and let me reach for my glasses here. And so I could talk to you about it. The first thing in a box is Prime for More. It is Smooth Affair Illuminating Glow Face Primer by Jane Iredale. There it is, okay? And it says the prime time, dispense a pea-sized amount of primer. Use fingers to apply all over the face. Wear under foundation for more staying power. Okay, and let's see. And this looks like it does have ingredients here. And I do not see, nope. I do not see fragrance, so that's good. I'll go ahead and give it a try, and let's see what it looks like. It looks like this would be a sample size. Sorry about that. I got a frog in my throat. Okay, and there it is. So very cute. Okay, and it is a primer. So okay, that will work. And I will go ahead and give this a try. Again, the brands that is offered by BeautyFix actually is very good. It's $24.95 a month, and I get it monthly, and it's from the Dermstore, okay? I'm going to see if there's a link or anything that gives you a discount. If there is, I'll go ahead and drop it below. Okay, like I said, I already like this box. Look at this, Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. Look at this. It's by Slip, and you know, these are things I can use, guys. And I love tiny scrunches, and especially now that I have short hair. And these will come in really nice. It comes sealed, actually. It's not just thrown in here at all. And let's see, and it is silk. And here it is. Oh my gosh, it's a Slip. So cute. So very cute. Oh, and this is a good one too. Okay, yeah. 2 for 2. Okay, and then the next couple of things in here, these are sample sizes. This is by Living Proof. It is the Restore Shampoo and Restore Conditioner. And guys, I really do appreciate sample sizes like this, because if I don't like it, I don't want to waste a whole bottle of shampoo. And another thing too, these would be perfect for travels, because these are definitely not like a sample size, but more of a deluxe sample. And I really do like it. And I do like Living Proof, and they have good products. And everybody knows Living Proof, right? So again, name brand, not some unknown brand that's randomly thrown in a box. Okay, and next, this item right here paid for the box. Okay, it's by Paula's Choice. And it is a full-size boost, and this is azelaic acid, right? And it is 10% azelaic acid booster with licorice and salicylic acid. And this one here, it's, let's see, it's non-irritating, fragrance-free, and never animal tested. It clarifies an even skin tone, and this is very good. I actually do buy this, and this is something that's really good for like when you have uneven skin tone. It helps to clarify it, and it doesn't take a lot, just a little bit. And this is a boost, so that way, you know, it boosts any other product that you have to enhance the product. You know what? Really, Paula's Choice in this box, wow, I'm very thankful. I like this, and in a full size at that. And believe me, this is more than $24.95, which I pay for the box, okay? So worth it. And on top of that, real silk scrunchie. Yeah. Okay, is there anything else? Oh, yeah. There's a couple of more stuff. Okay, here's one here, and we also know this one. This is called Juice Beauty, and it's prebiotics. And it's Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. Oh, I'm open for that. It's vegan, cruelty-free. And there it is. Okay? And this is also a sample size, which I don't mind at all. And there is always a couple of full size, as you saw, the azelaic acid, and also, you know, this little thing here. And so Juice Probiotics, it's Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. And I've been looking for a nice gel moisturizer. And I like gel moisturizers, especially in the winter time. It allows me to get the moisture, but it's absorbed. And the cream one, kind of for me, it feels like it sits at top. I usually use both. The gel for the absorbent, and then I put it like a barrier cream on top. So yeah, that's that. And one more thing, right? Oh no, two more. Wow, why is all these things all over the place? Okay, couple more things. Next thing is by Avene. It's cold cream stick. It's a cold cream stick. What does it do? It's a stick. I like it. Okay, so it's nourishing. Oh, it's a nourishing lip balm. Okay, that's great. And you know Avene, right? Avene is the product that they use thermal water. That's what we usually know Avene by. And they do have several different products, but I do like these. And then the thing is, all of these, let me see. None of this is made in China, I don't think. This one here is made in France, Avene. Okay. And let's see. Where are you made? This Juice Beauty. Is that Korea? Hold on one second. I'm trying to see if any of this is made in China. Let's see. USA, sorry. USA. And the shampoos, United States, both shampoo and conditioner made in the US. Paula's Choice, I know, is made in the US. Yep, actually in Seattle. So that's made in the US. You know what? I don't know where this thing, Scrunchie's probably made in China, actually. Yeah, the Scrunchie, okay, I can forgive it. It's not a product. And the Jane Iredale. And this is made in the US. And let's see. And I have one more thing. This is called the Triple Active Retinol, which I won't be using. So I'll go ahead and put this in a giveaway. Only because I use Retin-A. Okay, and I think I told you guys that before. Whoops, I just dropped it. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. I dropped the product. Okay, so in this one here is made in USA also, and this is a retinol product. Okay, and I think that's all of it that's in my box. So let's go over it again. I got the Triple Retinol by Dr. Brandt, made in the US. Conditioner and shampoo by Living Proof, made in the US. Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid, made in the US, full size. Avene Cold Cream Lip Balm, made in France. Let's see, and this is the Juice Beauty Prebiotics. Okay, it's a moisturizer, made in the US. And Prime for More Jane Iredale. Okay, and this is a primer, made in the US. And we have the Scrunchie One Thing, made in China. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is the type of box I love to support because this box just had a box full of things that supported our US workers, our European workers. So, you know, this is the reason why I canceled BoxyCharm and majority of, let's see, everything except for the X, I think, for the IPSY, because I can get boxes where things are fragrance-free and made in the US and good stuff for $24.95, okay? And so this is the reason why I really look for these boxes. And you know what? I'm going to use every one of these things except for this because I already use Retinol. But you know what? It's a known product, known brand, and I don't feel bad sending it to you guys because I know it's a good brand and I'm sure it works. So yeah, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. So what do you think? I mean, is this a box that you would be interested in, at least for skincare? And I know I am, especially if they're sending me things like Paula's Choice when I use that stuff. So yeah, so let me know what you think below. And if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But what does matter is remember, in the field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.